Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will cover the part 2 in Pandas data structure. In the previous video, we have seen the data frame data structure in Pandas, which is a two-dimensional data structure with rows and columns. We have seen a function called the read CSV, which will read from a CSV file and convert it to a data frame. We also have seen certain attributes of the read CSV function such as SCP, names, and skip rows. We have also covered the head and tail functions, which are used to read the top n or the bottom n rows of the data frame. We also have seen the IAT attribute of the data frame, which can be used to fetch the value at any specific row or column. In this video, we will see about the series data structure, how to create and fetch information from the series object. In the previous video, we have seen what a data frame is. In this video, we will have a glance at another data structure in Pandas called series. A series is nothing but a single column in a data frame. As you can see, a data frame is constituted using multiple series arranged as columns. As per Pandas documentation, a series is nothing but a one-dimensional ND array with axis labels. A ND array is a multi-dimensional container of items of the same type and size. ND array is a concept of a Python library named NumPy. In future lessons, we will cover details about NumPy and ND array. Now let's see how to create a series object in Pandas. As a first step, you have to import Pandas library. Then you create a variable and assign to the series constructor of Pandas as displayed here. This will create an empty series object. To create a series object with some data, you have to use the syntax as given for the variable s2. In this case, we will pass a parameter to the series constructor, and the parameter should be either an array-like object or it could be a dictionary or a scalar object. For more details regarding the creation of the series object, refer the URL as given here. Now let's jump into how to create a series object and use it in Python. As a first step, create a new Jupyter Notebook file as highlighted here. Import Pandas library as displayed here. Now create a variable s1 and assign it to the empty series constructor as given here. Now print the s1 object using the print function. Also, let's try to get the type of s1 object using the type function as displayed here. Run the program and you will be able to see the content of s1 object as an empty series with its types as pandas.core.series. Let's now try to create a series object using a symbol list consisting of the numbers 1, 21 and 34 as given here, enclosed within the series constructor and being assigned to s2 object as displayed. Let's try to print the content of s2. Also, let's try to get the type of s2 and run the program. As you can see, the content of series object s2 is displayed along with its default index numbering, also the type of s2 object as expected. Let's try to create one more series object s3 and assign it to a dictionary with key value pairs as given. Also, let's print the content of the variable with its type. Run the program and as you can see, the indexes are no longer the numerical indexes. Instead, they are the keys from the dictionary and values are values from the dictionary. Finally, let's create a series object using NumPy array. To do that, you have to import the NumPy package as displayed here. Let's create a new NumPy array object nparray1 and assign it the values using the syntax as given here. Now let's pass the NumPy array to the series constructor to create a series object s4. Print the content of s4 using the print function. Also, let's get the type of s4. Run the program and you will be able to see the contents of s4 along with its type. To access a value from the series object, we can use the corresponding index number using the syntax as displayed here. If you need to get the value from the first index of the s4 object, which we have recently created, you have to type s4 of 1. Run the program and you will get the value from the first index of the s4 object. Similarly, if you need the value from the fourth index, all have to do is to type s4 of 4. Run the program and you will be able to see the corresponding value as displayed. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.